In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show Mini Toolbar on selection in Excel. The Mini Toolbar is that small, floating strip of formatting tools that appears right next to what you've selected. Turning it on can save you a lot of time because you don't have to move your mouse all the way up to the ribbon for quick actions like bold, italics, fill color, borders, or number formatting. Let's get it enabled so it pops up the moment you select a cell or a range. Start in Excel with any workbook open. First, go to the File tab. You'll find it at the top left of Excel. This opens the Backstage view where all of the app-level settings live, such as saving, printing, account information, and, most importantly for us, the program's options. Next, choose Options. It's typically at the bottom of the list on the left. Clicking this opens the Excel Options window, which is where you control general behavior and interface preferences. If you don't see Options, you may be using Excel on the web or a version that doesn't expose these settings the same way. The feature we're enabling is a desktop Excel setting. In the Excel Options window, you should land on the General category by default. Look for the setting labeled Show Mini Toolbar on Selection. Check that box. This switch tells Excel to display a compact formatting toolbar right where you're working, immediately after you highlight cells. It's subtle but powerful, especially when you're doing a lot of quick formatting tweaks and don't want to break your flow by mousing back and forth. Once you've checked the box, click OK to apply and close the Options window. Your change takes effect right away, no restart needed. Now give it a try. Select a single cell or drag to select a range. As soon as you release the mouse, the Mini Toolbar should appear near your selection. You'll typically see options like font face and size, bold, italic, alignment, borders, fill color, font color, and number formats. The exact buttons can vary slightly by version, but the idea is the same. Fast access to common formatting right where you need it. If the toolbar doesn't appear, double-check that the options stayed checked, and make sure you're using the desktop version of Excel rather than the browser version. Also, try selecting and pausing for a moment. Moving the mouse away too quickly can sometimes dismiss it. That's all there is to it. You've enabled the Mini Toolbar on selection so you can format faster and keep your focus on the data in front of you.